So just started a hike on the Ramsey Canyon Preserve Trail, 1 mile in, 1 mile out, and it runs right along the Ramsey Creek, which is a tributary of the San Pedro. It's going to be a beautiful hike. As you make your way into Ramsey Canyon Preserve, you'll come across the James House. It was built by John James in 1911 after the family outgrew the log cabin we'll see here in a little bit. And here is that log cabin built by the James family. This was built in 1902. That cabin is just tucked away in the canyon, right on the creek. Beautiful. There's even a place for kids to play in the creek. That water's really cold right now, though. Just came across some deer. There's one. And here's one even closer. How awesome is that? There they go. Here's a pond for the Chiricahua leopard frogs, and it actually is frozen over just a tiny bit. Right along the trail there's all kinds of benches and little areas where you can just sit and relax and enjoy the sound of a running creek.